Set the ground and the line style. Choose a drawing command. In this case I chose relative line as I knew the length and the direction of the lines I wish to create. You can use the mouse wheel to zoom in. This can be helpful on giving you detail on what you're drawing. I then chose Lock to Endpoint from the Mode toolbar at the top left of the screen. This will now snap to any points within the drawing. You can put any sum into any input field in KASEMAKE, meaning you don't need to use a calculator. To draw the slot, I chose the box command and then capsulate to round off the ends. To place the box, I chose relative 1 from the Mode toolbar at the top left. This will enable me to position the box in relation to any point in the drawing. Choose the line command. This will draw a line between 2 points. Because all 4 corners of this design are the same, we can use the corner copy command. By ticking Use Extents, the limits of the drawing will be used to place the copies. Sometimes, when drawing, it's necessary to zoom in on a detail area. The easiest way to do this in KASEMAKE is to put your cursor where you'd like to zoom, press and hold page up, and the software will zoom a 20mm window around your cursor. I now need to identify the lines in the drawing that are creases. I go to Select, then hold Alt and Shift. That means anything that I touch will be selected. I then choose the ground and the line style I wish those lines to change to. A quick way to add dimensions in KASEMAKE is to use the Crease to Crease command. This is in the Dimension toolbar. Click and let go. Draw the mouse across any elements you wish to dimension and then click again. Next I chose the Automatic Overall. This will dimension the limits of the drawing.